Hey guys, so I'm a hot mess, my hair's a mess. Oh well, who cares? We are decorating our Christmas tree. I'm just putting the lights on. We got Mr. Levi. Say hi. Say hi. So I'm gonna do, this is gonna take a while, but I'm gonna do a time lapse of us decorating our Christmas tree. Hope you enjoy. So here is our finished tree. I'll show you guys some of the special ornaments that we have got over the collection of almost 3 years of marriage. So this was our very first ornament that we got, and it's Disney, and it was the year we got married. And these have our initials on them. That one has an L, and that one has an R. And then Zoe's ornament. And then my mom got Joe Captain America one. And every year we cut the bottom. This was last year's tree. We cut the bottom off our trees to make an ornament. And we're going to do it again with this one. But this was our first tree in December of 2016. So when we cut this off, we'll write Levi's first tree, 2018 on it. And then this is another wedding ornament from our first year. And then my parents had this made for us at the Florida State Fair. Here we got married. And my mom got me the little Sky puppy from Paw Patrol. Don't ask me why she did, but she did. And yeah, this is our tree. Our angel girl. She's holding a snowflake. And yeah, I'm going to put the tree skirt on or around it, and then start wrapping Christmas gifts. But yeah, this is by far our fattest tree that we have gotten, because it's like out in the middle of the room. And oops, that was Levi's toy. And that's, yeah, there's a good foot, 2 feet. So I love it, and it smells amazing. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that red subscribe button, and make sure your notification bell is turned on to let you know every time I post new videos. And we will talk to you guys in our next video. Lots of love, lots of baby dust. Merry Christmas, guys.